It's Max.
Hi viewers, in this video we are going to see about counting of figures. That is, there will be an image given. We have to count the number of triangles in that image. We might have seen these type of problems in puzzles, but coming to the competitive exams such as railways and banks, these type of questions have been asked under the category reasoning. Let's see how to solve the counting of figures problems in an easy way. In the first image, we know there is only one triangle, so the answer will be 1. Coming to the second problem, if we see this type of image, we will try to solve this problem by counting the number of triangles. That is one triangle in the left, one in the right, and there is another one big triangle. So the number of triangles in this image equal to 3. Since it's an easy image, we can solve it by counting it. But in case of complicated problems, if we adapt this method of counting, we will definitely miss some triangle, and moreover, it will take a lot of time. So we can make it easier by using a trick. There will be a trick available for each pattern. Let's see how to solve this type of image by using the trick. This is the same image what we have seen before. If you want to apply this trick, the first thing what we have to do is we have to see the base. Then we have to note how many triangles are there in the base. In this base we have 2 triangles. So number it as 1 and 2. So the first step is now over. Second, you have to add 1 and 2. That is, we have to do 1 plus 2. So if we do 1 plus 2, we will get 3. So the number of triangles in this image is 3. If we apply this trick for this image, the first thing what we have to do is we have to see the base. Second, we have to note how many triangles are there in the base. We have 3 triangles. So number it as 1, 2 and 3. Then we have to add 1, 2 and 3. If we add 1 plus 2 plus 3, we will get 6. So the number of triangles in this image is 6. You can check it by counting it also. The answer will be definitely same. So here is another image. If we apply the trick, the first thing we have to notice the base. Then we have to see how many triangles are there in the base. So number it as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the first step is over. Second, we have to add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So we will get 15. If you want to do this addition easier, there is a shortcut method also. If you want to add the numbers from 1 to n, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n, we can apply the formula sum of n series. The formula is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Here n is the maximum number. Coming to this image, here n we will have as 5. So applying n equal to 5, we will get 5 into 6 divided by 2. So 5 into 6 equal to 30. 30 divided by 2 equal to 15. So it depends on you. If you find the first method is easier, you can add, or if you find this formula method easier, you can do this addition by using the formula also. What's easy for you, just follow that method. So far we have seen the image having only one base. Now here is an image having 2 bases, but we can apply the same trick. First we have to see the lower base, then note how many triangles are there in this base. So start number it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now lower base is over. Next step we have to move on to the upper base. See how many triangles are there in the upper base. Start the numbering from 1. Don't start it from 6 because it's a new base. So we have to number from 1 only. So number it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now first step is over. That is numbering is over. Then we have to add the numbers. So if we add the numbers in the lower base, we will get 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 equal to 15. So now we have to add the numbers in the upper base. If we add the numbers in the upper base, we will get 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 equal to 15. Next we have to add 15 and 15. So the answer is 30. Since we are having the same number of triangles in each base, we can solve this by 15 into 2 also. So we will get the same answer, 30 only. So the number of triangles in this image is 30. There is another image. If we apply this trick, first we have to know the number of triangles in the lower base, then number it as 1, 2 and 3. Then move on to the middle base. Start numbering the triangles in the middle base as 1, 2 and 3. Then go to the upper base. In the upper base also we are having the same number of triangles. So we can number it as 1, 2 and 3. Now numbering is over. Then we have to add the numbers. If we add, we will get 6. Since we are having same number of triangles in each bases, we can multiply this 6 with 3. If we multiply 6 and 3, we will get 18. So the number of triangles in this image is 18. Next, we can see another one complicated image, but we can apply this same trick. First, we have to see the lower base, then start the number of triangles in the lower base. So we can number it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then move on to the next base. Here we are having two triangles, so we can number it as 1, 2. If we see the other base, we can number the triangle as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Next we are having only one base. So if we number the triangle, there will be 3 triangles. So first step numbering is over. Then we have to add the numbers in each base. First we can add the numbers in the lower base. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 equal to 28. Then we can add the 2 number base. Then we can add the 5 triangles base. So if we add, we will get 15. Then we can add the 3 triangles base. We will get 6. So now finally we have to add all these numbers. If we add, we get total number of triangles equal to 52. Finally, what we come to know is there is a trick available for each pattern in counting of figures problem. What we have to do is just remember which trick how to be applied for which pattern. In today's video, we have seen only the same type of pattern. So we have applied the same trick. If you are having images like this, that is, there is a triangle inside another triangle, there is a separate trick for this. We shall see what trick should be applied for this pattern in the next video. Thank you.